presentation over here because they've covered everything. So what is it that I'm going to be talking about? Well, I'm going to talk about my experiences, which I believe are very unique, very specific, and obviously I'm the only one who can talk about it. So that's going to be something that I want to be covering. The second is, I'm giving you all my disclaimers before I get started on the presentation, is I just had a surgery last week. I'm not supposed to talk too much, and neither am I supposed to smile. So please bear with me and give all the answers as I ask any question related to what it means. And lastly, all views for this particular presentation and session are completely mine and not necessarily Broadridge's. So please, Broadridge is not accountable for what I'm going to be talking about. All right, the topic, positive leadership. How does it feel? Heavy, light, easy? That's a question. Interesting? How about the others? Sorry? Complex. And you see what I've written? A simple thing. Basically, what all of us have been doing day in and day out is we are either living in the past or we are living in the future. Nobody is interested in living in the now. For example, the sessions began a little late maybe, or they began on time, and a few speakers took a lot of time. And this particular session, everybody's trying to hurry up so that the future, we're on time. What about the now? I'd like to be a little mindful about that. I'd also talk a little bit about, if you see everything, okay, at the moment, I can assure you that at least 10% of the population is on BlackBerries. That's because our life is so complex. Either you have to send out mails, you have to get connected over the phone, you have to send out SMSs, there are a whole lot of deadlines. So how do you deal with it? Well, the beauty of the whole thing is to make it simple so that you're able to clarify what you want, you're very direct to the point, and you're able to convey the message in whatever way you want. And that's precisely what my aim is going to be today.